Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to ADP Workforce Now employee account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in workforcenow.adp.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this ADP online portal. In order to log into your employee account, you need to type in your user ID in the first text box. If you don't remember your user ID, you can get help by clicking on Forgot Your User ID link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. If you've not registered yet with ADP, then you'll need to first register by clicking on the Create Account button right next to New User. After providing your user ID, click the Next button. In the password text box, type in your password associated with the account. If you also forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password link and follow the instructions to get help resetting your password. After filling in both of the user ID and password, click the Sign In button in order to get access to your ADP Workforce Now as an employee. The Workforce Now is an employee self-service portal used by organizations to manage their workforce. Now, once you are logged into your account, you can easily view your pay stubs, enroll in benefits, request time offs, and much more. It will help employers to manage their payroll, benefits, time in attendance, and other HR tasks. That is how you can easily access ADP Workforce Now employee accounts. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.